Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: CESL signs MOU with CLASP. CERC approves tariff for 2 GW of ISTS solar projects. Adani Green commissions 150 megawatt wind power project. Maharashtra invite tenders for 500 megawatt of distributed solar projects. Delhi government petitions for closure of outdated thermal power plants. Bank guarantee of wind project stuck under regulatory procedures. Coming to the details. Convergence Energy Services Limited, a subsidiary of Energy Efficiency Services Limited, announced it has signed an MOU with CLASP, an international non-profit organization for deployment of high-quality energy efficiency technologies. It will set up a monitoring and quality assurance cell for products used in decentralized solar power generation, home-based energy efficient appliances, and other products with CLASP. This MOU will be able to enhance the quality and delivery of energy efficient products, bringing new solutions such as battery based energy storage, Internet of Things for last mile communities where we work. The two companies in collaboration will develop a policy and programmatic strategy to promote energy efficient technologies in urban and rural marketplaces. In addition to supporting CESL deploy energy efficient products in a weak and off grid areas. The Central Electricity Regulatory Commission in a recent order has adopted tariffs of 2 rupees 55 paisa per unit and 2 rupees 56 paisa per unit through competitive bidding by NHPC for 2 gigawatt solar projects. The charges would remain valid throughout the period covered in the power purchase agreements and the power sale agreements. The Commission asked NHPC to remove the deviation clause regarding the change in law compensation in the PPAs executed with the developers so that it conformed with the change in law guidelines issued by the Ministry of Power. Adani Wind Energy Kutch 3 Limited, subsidiary of Adani Green, commissions 150 megawatt wind power project at Kutch, Gujarat. The power will be supplied to Solar Energy Corporation of India at 2 rupees 82 paisa per unit under 25 years of PPA. This is the sixth project commissioned before schedule by Adani Green over the past 12 months. The commissioning takes Adani Green's total operational renewable capacity to 5070 megawatt. The Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited has invited bids for 500 megawatt of distributed solar projects under component A of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Urja Suraksha Evam Uttan Mahabhiyan PM Kusum program. The last date to submit the bids is 20th June 2021 and the bids will be opened on the same day. The pre-bid meeting will take place on June 8th. The ceiling tariff for the project has been set at 3 rupees 5 paisa per unit. The solar power generator will be responsible for design, finance, procurement of land, engineering, procurement, construction, operation and maintenance of project per the provisions of power purchase agreement between the generator and MSEDCL. A petition has been filed by the Delhi government in the Supreme Court seeking closure of 10 thermal power plants around the capital that are using outdated pollution control technology and contributing significantly to the air pollution in the Delhi NCR region. The Central Electricity Regulatory Commission has reserved its judgment in reply to the petition filed by Renew Power and its three subsidiaries on submitting a fresh bank guarantee to Power Grid Corporation of India Limited upon the grant of Stage 2 connectivity for a 300 megawatt wind project in Karnataka. The Commission noted that in the case the petitioner submitted the requisite amount of 5 million to the Central Transmission Utility, the bank guarantee should be in no case be encashed. The wind developers, namely Renew Power and its three subsidiaries, Akzo Solar Energy, Astro Energy, and Astro Canada Power, had filed a petition seeking the release of the bank guarantee of 50 million furnished by Renew Power earlier or utilize the same amount for the fresh transmission agreement that will be executed after the grant of Stage 2 connectivity. Price discovery at the power exchanges. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 159.71 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details, price discovered during night 4 rupees 68 paisa per unit, price discovered during day 2 rupees 60 paisa per unit, price discovered during evening 4 rupees 69 paisa per unit, price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 78 paisa per unit, weighted average price is 3 rupees 80 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.